Take both hands properly, which we all know how to do. Not like that, but right.
From here, both hands going behind her back now. Gentlemen, notice that he's walking kind of in 2 feet into my bubble.
Right shoulder, right shoulder.
From here, both hands going behind her back. Now, gentlemen, your right hand is going to switch which hand it's holding. So you go in, left to right, and then you're going to drop whichever hand your right hand's holding and go for the other hand. There are only 2 back there. If you drop one, there's only another 2 stuck. From here, you can use your hand to nudge her out. Now, you can nudge her waist, you can nudge her shoulder. You can use this shoulder to help nudge her out as well.
Depending on the way your date or anybody's attitude is going, you can give her a little head bob. That's fine.
From here, you have 1. Now, on the second spin, so that first one, his hand stayed low. On the second one, as I'm coming around, his hand is going to go up and over my head, and as I'm going to come back around, he's lowering it. If you do this move, and you lift up too soon, it doesn't go well. If you move it down too soon, it doesn't go well. So, timing is very important on this one. So, from here, when you're right to right, your right wrist to right wrist. From here, you're going to nudge her out for 1, 2 spins and pause.
That's very important. Pause is important. Hit, turn, out, walk, stop, spin, behind, transfer, forward. How you doing? Right there. Boom. In, behind, hip. You're not going anywhere. I'm gonna walk this direction. There you go. Does that work? Control. We are leaders for a reason.